You've made your stand very clear on India playing Pakistan. There is the Asia Cup coming in. What's your view on that?
No, I said it in Parliament during the Operation Sindoor
Yeah.
debate that when the Prime Minister himself had said many times that water and blood cannot flow, talks and terrorism cannot go together. And rightfully after Operation Sindoor, this government have stopped issuing visas. They have stopped trade, directly, indirect trade. We had this government has suspended rightfully uh, the Indus Water Treaty. We have stopped 80% of, according to the treaty, 80% of water belongs to Pakistan. We have kept it in abeyance. When all such measures have been taken, how can you jump and play a cricket match? You see, when people say, "Oh, what when you play other sports?" So cricket is not a sport in India.
Yes.
It's football, hockey, volleyball, kabaddi. These are I'm sorry to use their sport, but here it's like an obsession.
Yeah, you're right.
Everything comes to a standstill. And like for example, the last day of that cricket match, I was sitting in my home. I had a parliament to go, but I wanted.
You
I
didn't go.
no
That's
no
that
no. I
one
I went to
you were.
parliament and I rushed back. So
Okay.
when fortunately the parliament was not working, so I rushed back
Okay.
and I had put my cell phone on silent and I was watching. Okay, now what's going to happen? You see,
Yeah.
so cricket is like that, and then there's so much of money in cricket which is not there in other sports. So I don't know. I'm surprised and shocked that we are playing a cricket match in Dubai with Pakistan. When anyways, I will not watch it
You won't
because
watch it.
I'll not watch it.
Why wouldn't? Because of Operation
Yeah,
Sindoor
because
and the way
not
we
Operation
stand.
Sindoor, but because of that shocking incident of Pahalgam. It is too horrific that someone can be shot in front of their small children, wives, mothers, whatever. It's like you you're watching your wife is watching her husband being shot in his head. That is very painful. We unfortunately in our country we forget the victims. That is what it
That's true.
is. When people die either in natural disaster or a bomb blast, we tend to forget. But we, of course, everyone will have to carry on life, but we also forget that 21 civilians lost in Pakistan shelling. You
Yeah.
know, we lost many things. So suddenly it's like, whoa. Then why do we have? Why are we not issuing visas? Why have we called back our diplomats? We have a very minimal presence in now Islamabad. We have sent back many of these Pakistani officers who are indulging in some spying or anti-national activities. We have suspended indirect trade. Wagah border is closed. So how does it make? I don't know. To me, it doesn't make sense.
So Mr. Rasaduddin Owaisi is going to boycott the
No, I
India-Pakistan
don't. I'll
match.
not watch it. I don't use boycott and give any respect to Pakistan. I will not watch it.
Why do you think we're going ahead with this match?
I
What do you
don't
think?
know. I don't know.
What
I
are our
don't know. I don't know.
compulsions?
This is for the uh, BCCI to answer. This is for the office bearers of BCCI to answer. This is for the government of India to answer. Why have they given permission? It is for them to answer because if you can, if you are playing and you say it's a bilateral, the World Bank Treaty is also bilateral. Many of these pharmaceutical companies send their products to Dubai. From Dubai, it goes to Pakistan. They're also losing on it. You have Jalandhar is the center for ready-made garments. They are losing on it.
So it doesn't make sense.
I don't know. I don't know why. But this is my personal decision. I don't want to watch that much. Simple as that.